Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where a mouse is moving on its own in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's how you will approach this. First of all, update the drivers, the mouse drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and go to the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update the first driver, right click and update the second driver, and right click and update all the mouse drivers. Then the next one is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on Check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then go to the malware removal tool. Click on Next, choose Full Scan, click on Next and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.